back to my channel and welcome to my very first Glossybox unboxing video. I have tried out a ton of subscription boxes. You guys have seen me open them up over the years, but shockingly, Glossybox I've never tried before. So I have the April one right here. They did send this over to me to share with you guys, and they also gave me a discount code. Let me check really quickly. Yeah, a discount code where you can get your first box for $16. So if that is of any interest to you guys, I will link everything down below for you. But if you're unfamiliar, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box, just like a lot of the other ones I've opened up here on my channel, where you get beauty products. So you get hair care, skincare, makeup, a lot of it's full-size products. I'm so excited. This box is so pretty. Like the color, it's kind of like my nail color. It's so pretty. All right. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's like a little present. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Can you tell? It looks like the little pamphlet. So it says, wake up in spring. I think this tells you what's in the box. Yeah, I don't want to spoil anything, so I'm not really going to read that. It's like packed to the brim, you guys. Okay, the first thing in here is by the brand New Brow, I think. Okay, I'm gonna have to peek in here because I can't tell what brand this is. It's by Skin Research Laboratories, and this is their Beauty on the Go mini kit. So it looks like it has a little lash enhancing serum and a brow enhancing serum. Ooh, and a complexion perfecting polish in there. I love lash enhancing serums. You guys have heard me talk about them a lot before. So this is a really good way to try out like all of them. I've never tried out a brow one before, and I could really use something like that. I've never heard of this brand, but hopefully it's good. Okay, next thing in here is by Cargo. This is their Swimmables Long Wear Eyeshadow Stick. I have heard of Cargo before. I've had quite a bit of their products in the past, but never an eyeshadow stick. This is in the color Morro Bay. It looks like it's a brown, maybe like a taupe. Oh no, it's like a bronze kind of chocolate brown. Ooh, that is soft. I love eyeshadow sticks. I think they're perfect for like your lower right here. I think they're perfect to kind of smoke out right there, or like on your upper lash line to kind of smoke out like eyeliner, but a little bit more smoky. There's a nail polish in here. It's been quite some time since I've gotten a nail polish in a subscription box, so it's exciting for me to see just because, you know, it's been a while. So this is by the brand NCLA. I have never tried their polish before. The color is really pretty. It's kind of like a dusty purple, which is perfect for springtime, perfect for summertime. The color is really cute too. It says, we're off to Never Never Land. How cute. There's a lot of stuff in this box, you guys. Next thing is definitely a full-size product by the brand Freeman Beauty, and this is their French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. This is huge for a peel-off mask. Holy moly, I thought it was gonna be like a body lotion or body cream. 6 ounces for a facial mask. Wow, this will last a million uses. Wow. It says it's a pore clearing mask, ideal for most skin types and free of harsh chemicals. I really like peel-off masks. I feel like they're super satisfying when you put them on and you like peel them off. Okay, next thing in the box, it looks like it's a mascara from the brand, okay, I'm having trouble identifying the brands. I'm not gonna be able to say this. Butanique Beauty, I think. That's a very unique name. I have to give it to them. And it's in a little tube, which is, at least that's what the picture showed. Let's see. Yeah, it's in a tube, which is so interesting for mascara. I kind of like that because you could like squeeze it and like get every little bit of the mascara out of it. Since I tend to use my mascaras like till they're totally dry and gone. It smells like mascara. The wand is really nice. It has like hair-like bristles, soft bristles, which is usually good for volumizing. Okay, it looks like I have 2 things left in here. So the next thing, look at how cute this packaging is. Okay, let's see what brand this is. Okay, this product actually is not included in the little pamphlet, so I wonder if it's just a little bonus freebie, but it looks like it's by the brand Kawaii Girl Cosmetics, and it's their New York powder. Is it like a pigment? Kind of looks like it's, this reminds me of Pat McGrath, like the sequins in here. It looks like it's a pigment. It looks really pretty, like a pastel purple to match the nail polish. Oh yeah. Okay, they definitely could improve the packaging a little bit because it's just like loose pigment in here, which is super messy and kind of like scary that it's gonna get everywhere, but this is really pretty. See how it's like an iridescent, kind of like mermaidy purple. Okay, the last thing in here, it actually says an extra treat on the little pamphlet, and it's by the brand The Good Patch. There's one patch in here and it says, be calm. You know what's funny? I've been seeing a ton of like Instagram ads about products similar to this where it's like a beauty patch. So they're basically like sticker type things, patches you put on your arm or wherever. And this one says, oh no, inside of your wrist, this one says. It says it contains 15 milligrams of hemp and menthol. It is dermatologically tested to ensure that you're calm throughout the day. It helps relieve stress and anxiety. I feel like it has the same concept as like essential oils. Very interesting. If you guys have tried anything like this before, let me know, because I'm just curious by this new type of product. All right guys, well that is what was in my April Glossybox. I'm super pumped to try these products. Thank you Glossybox for sending this over to me. I'm so excited to finally be able to try Glossybox, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. And again, I will link all of the information in my description box so you can check them out if you're interested, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!